Today we're driving the Mazda 6 20th anniversary from 2023 and I absolutely love it. It's an old school vehicle which has a 2.5 naturally aspirated inline-4 engine coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission which has a torque converter. So again, a classic transmission. Being naturally aspirated, it has only 194 horsepower and 258 Newton meters of torque. There are also other engine configurations around the globe. We have the 187 horsepower version, also naturally aspirated, and we also have two engine versions which are turbocharged. But unfortunately, we cannot find those in Europe. The limited edition 20th anniversary comes fully packed. It has a nice color outside, which is only for this edition. You also have a nice brown leather fine nappa interior, which is natural leather, and it feels super soft and amazing. Something you don't find nowadays in other modern vehicles, which may be also a lot more expensive. It feels comfortable but dynamic at the same time. It has 19-inch alloy wheels, it has heated and ventilated front seats, heated back seats. You have a premium Bose sound system, you have Apple CarPlay, you have parking sensors front and rear, you have 360 cameras, you have a full LED headlights and taillights. The seats are also electrically adjusted with memories. You have all kinds of compartments which feel very nice. You also have some nice ports for multimedia in the center console, and I feel like you get real value for money when you get this car. This car is from a friend, it's from 2023. He bought it for 31,000 euros at 11,000 kilometers. No damage, no issues, no nothing. Brand new, I think it was over 40,000 euros back then. It's basically a competitor to the Toyota Camry, Ford Mondeo, Skoda Superb, Volkswagen Passat, and other medium-sized sedan vehicles. Fuel consumption on average in the real world is around 8 liters per 100 kilometers. I will adjust that on the screen in miles per gallon. When you're cruising, the engine will deactivate 2 cylinders. You won't feel that while you drive, and you can get even better fuel mileage. You can find similar vehicles like this for around 30,000 euros. And again, as I was saying, I feel like you get a lot of value for money. I always prefer old school vehicles with some classic layouts like this car has. You have natural leather, you have a torque converted automatic transmission, you have a naturally aspirated engine. Everything feels natural in this vehicle, and it's really hard to find such vehicles nowadays. Most of them are turbocharged, the engines are downsized, the transmissions have DCTs or CVTs, and they're not that reliable and that nice to drive in the long run. Also, I feel like this car will hold its value for a long time because, as I was saying, it's pretty hard to find such vehicles nowadays. For some, it may seem outdated, but for others, it may seem like a real gem. Even if we have a torque converter, if you kick down the acceleration, the response is almost immediate. Acceleration is decent, and for day-to-day use, I think it's more than enough. Let me know what you think about this vehicle in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next episode.